As soon as you leave, I wanna go back on the camera. Okay, as soon as you leave, I wanna go back on the camera.
After I dunk you in your bestie, I'm tryna fuck your buddy. High as fuck, I told me some shrooms. I'll pussy get wet when I walk in the room. She wanna fuck my spoons. My life if I play with balloons. No matter the state, I stay with some goons. Pray Charlie, he come home in June. She got the first of the month. I lay that towel down, I can't front. I got 300 in Atlanta. I pour dudes in my family. One of my dudes think I'm Santa. Only fucking on bananas. Only fans, let's get it on camera. Look my son, I can't forget Dana. 2 shots, she look like a candle. Been that shit over, she got a dungeon, broke the sofa. Back on, I'm gonna soak her. Freaky, I'm gonna choke her. Shit, I figured it out. I mean, I like her, she ain't a demon for clown. She play for the cleaner, my feet on her mouth, and she is taking. Dominican mix with Jamaican. I don't gotta tell her to shave it. That's beside her. I like her cadence, but I'm done. Pass her the Peyton, Berkeley sex, it's amazing. She like Trish, but I like Quagan. I'm into Cops 100. Tell me her ex a junkie. After I dunk you in your bestie, I'm tryna fuck your buddy. High as fuck, I told me some shrooms. I'll pussy get wet when I walk in the room. She wanna fuck to my spoons. My life if I play with balloons. No matter the state, I stay with some goons. Pray Charlie, he come home in June. She got the first of the month. I lay that towel down, I can't front.
I mixed the Henny with honey. She was the city, she love me. I put that dick in her tummy. I put that dick in her rip out the runner. She said she a hoe. Can I send her out? I said I know. Shut up, baby. Suck it. It's daddy. I throat. Number one, I'm daddy. She know. What she want, and I'm liking it slow. And she coming, I'm grabbing her dope. And she know that I'm thinking they both good. She gon' love it. Her body looks so good. Supersonic. She calling me stone cold when I stunner.
Tell me her ex a junkie. After I dunk you in your bestie, I'm tryna fuck your buddy. High as fuck, I told me some shrooms. I'll pussy get wet when I walk in the room. She wanna fuck my spoons. My life if I play with balloons. No matter the state, I stay with some goons. Pray Charlie, he come home in June. She got the first of the month. I lay that towel down, I can't front. I got 300 in Atlanta. I pour dudes in my phantom. One of my dudes think I'm Santa. Only fucking on bananas. Only fans, let's get it on camera. Look my twin, I can't forget Dana. 2 shots, she look like a candle. Been that shit over, she got a dungeon, broke the sofa. Back on, I'm gonna soak her. Freaky, I'm gonna choke her. Shit, I figured it out. I mean, I like her, she ain't a demon for clown. She play for the cleaner, my feet on her mouth, and she is taking. Dominican mix with Jamaican. I don't gotta tell her to shave it. That's beside her. I like her cadence, but I'm done. Peyton, Berkeley sex, it's amazing. She like Trish, but I like Quagan. I'm into Cops 100. Tell me her ex a junkie. After I dunk you in your bestie, I'm tryna fuck your buddy. High as fuck, I told me some shrooms. I'll pussy get wet when I walk in the room. She wanna fuck to my spoons. My life if I play with balloons. No matter the state, I stay with some goons. Pray Charlie, he come home in June. She got the first of the month.
Henny with honey. She was the city, she love me. Got the fatty, wanna be calling me daddy. Top off nasty, you ain't even gotta ask me. If you wanna pull up, just say get fucked, here's the addy. Got that pussy perfect wet, fuck a Percocet, pop a addy. Pussy tastes like rum punch, all it took was one touch. Knock out one punch, eat it up for lunch. Might give her a son. I just made her come twice, you ain't make her come once. Don't be asking questions like an interview, cause you really know what we finna do. I ain't gotta touch you, they be feeling you. Yeah, I'm always out, but I'm in you. When I say go ahead and send me you. Any catch you big, but I'ma bring you to it. If you got a man, we could bring the rules. If I was your man, I'd be 10 or 2. If you really wanna bring a friend or two, it don't matter, cause I'm bringing Lily too. When it comes to sexy, I'm the general. When it comes to pretty, you the pinnacle. I'ma eat that pussy like it's dinner too. Soon as you leave, I met you too. Like damn. How do I exit this shit? Okay, got the fatty, wanna be calling me daddy. Top off nasty, you ain't even gotta ask me. If you wanna pull up, just say get fucked, here's the addy. Got that pussy perfect wet, fuck a Percocet, pop a addy. Pussy tastes like rum punch, all it took was one touch. Knock out one punch, eat it up for lunch. Might give her a son. I just made her come twice, you ain't make her come once.